beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer Diamond, and I am a certified plant-based nutrition coach living a whole food, plant-exclusive lifestyle for health and well-being. And part of what I like to do is exercise. And I've been doing a lot of traveling lately, and I've been doing a lot of work lately. And so my workouts haven't been as rigorous as I've wanted them. And so I'm kind of feeling like I'm sort of starting over, but not exactly. Anyways, today I thought I would bring you along while I do some rebounding. So I really enjoy doing rebounding, and I kind of want to take it a step back. It's really good for the lymph system to get things cleaned out and the blood circulating. It's a great workout. It's a great warm-up to other things. And so I want to go ahead and take you along with me. We're going to start by doing just some stretching a little bit with the rebounder, on the rebounder, and around the rebounder. And then we're going to go into a simple workout as well. So here we go. Okay, so we just did a nice warm up. It's a nice stretch. I feel really good. You can continue to do more stretching if you'd like, but for me, I'm ready to go now and I want to do some gentle rebounding with you. So come on, let's do this. you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm winded and that's okay. I did a great beginner workout. I tried to show you ways that you could keep it very low. You could bring it up a little bit. The idea is that we could just work out together, encourage each other, and have fun. And I also want to just let you know that I am not a coach for fitness training, and I'm just sharing what I do. And if this is new for you, well, please make sure to check with your healthcare professional or your healthcare provider and make sure that this is safe for you, and start where you are, right? I really enjoyed this beginner workout with you. I am hoping to do more, and together we can bring our endurance up and have fun. So thanks so much for hanging in there with me today. I want to remind you not to forget to eat your greens because they're so important, but also to give plants a chance. Take care, everyone. I'm going to go downstairs and get my greens, and I hope that you do the same. Until next time, bye-bye.